Well, y'all want more detail, I think. Can't be that hard. How the hell did you even model at all? I can't even find This is going to be a PC only avatar because I kind of wasn't watching my polygon count, so let's get right into it. So we're going to start off this video with Blender. Head on to the Blender website and install the newest version. Then open up that bad boy and make a new project. The Fable starter cube. Press X, delete, be gone. Now I'm just going to drop some reference images in here and head over to the viewport and make it so it doesn't show up unless we're looking, directly at it. Now we're going to get into making the actual avatar. It's a little different than the last video. So we're going to press Shift A to add a new mesh and click UV sphere. That's not the cube. Why? Because look. You press G, then Z, and it follows the Z axis. Click to place, H to scale it down, and then look here. You click on the object, then you go to sculpt mode. You click mirror on the Y axis, then pick up the grab tool and go to the side here and look. You pull it. Ooh, easy, bro, easy. Listen, you start simple, okay? We're not making the Mona Lisa. We're making a stick figure. Jace, keep on doing that for the rest of the body parts. Shift A, grab, and just move them around. And just remember, G is to grab, and you can click X, Y, or Z on your keyboard to move it along that axis. The same applies for S for scale and R for rotating. I forgot to mention, middle mouse button is to pan around, so you're welcome. I think I'm missing something. There we go, can't forget that. Now for all these parts, I need to connect them into one mesh. So I clicked on the base mesh, added the boolean modifier, changed it to union, select what I wanted to connect it to, boom. Basically this just Zahandos the mesh. Basically just removes the overlapping parts. I almost forgot, for the legs and arms you can use the mirror modifier to mirror it to the other side. You can also do this for the whole body if you want to work with only half the body. Well, it's done. Let's export this to Unity. Stop! Freeze! This won't do anything! Yes. The rig. The rig. Well, I know I am not smart enough to explain this. So check out this video right here. You will have the rig up in like 10 to 15 minutes. Also, all the tutorials I used to learn avatar creation will be in the description. So, now with this beautiful rig magically done, I just have to weight paint. To get into weight paint mode, you just click on the bone, shift click on the mesh, go up here and click weight paint. And to click on each bone, you just shift click it. So you can kind of do it from scratch, or you can let Blender help you with some of it. So I took the easy way. If you click on bone and then click weights and assign weights from bone, it gives you a rough sketch of how it should be. With that basically done, you can just go in with the tool and touch up some areas. But he can wave to you. With the hard part out of the way, I added materials for each part and an extra one for a secret trick. You can kind of just mess with them however you want. For this trick, I selected my mesh and added a solidify modifier to it. Inside the solidify modifier, I flipped the normals and moved the material offset to 1, which was that special material that I made earlier. Don't forget to check backface culling on the special material. Wow, look, it's got that smexy outline on it. But as you can see, this guy's done. It's time to export him. Let's get this bad boy in VRChat. Click File, Export, change path to copy. Click this bin. This saves the materials. Selected objects. Now select the objects, apply the transforms, and don't add leaf bones. And then finally, export. Sounds complicated, but trust me, this is an accumulation of many failed attempts. Now for Unity. Boys! Things are a little different. Things have changed from the past. Now everything's inside the VRC Creator Companion. So just go into the website and download that. Install it, open it up, create a new project, and add all these packages that you want. I just added all the ones for avatars. inside the project, we dump our little beefy boy in here and get him ready to go. Click on your avatar inside the project files, go over here, click rig, humanoid, apply, and then go over here to materials and then extract materials, and then you want to go over here, press this play button, it'll expand it. You want to click on the voodoo doll and then go to configure avatar in the inspector. Click on it and make sure all the bones are in the right spot. If the bone isn't there, you just take it, drag it over, scroll down, click apply, and then click done. Now you want to drag your avatar into the hierarchy, and let's put a little component on him. This is the VRC avatar descriptor. Now this thing controls everything on your VRChat avatar. So inside here, we're just gonna edit the view, which is basically what you view out of. Just move it to be between the eyes. This is the bare minimum for a VRChat avatar. So we're gonna upload this puppy. Okay, make your way up to the VRChat SDK, click open control panel, then you wanna sign in. Once you're signed in, make your way over to the builder, auto fix all the errors, and then you should be able to build and publish it. So yeah, and now we're in VRChat, and look, it all looks great. Check out this video right here, where I'm making a game.